another box of James Bond Black Diamond from Upper Deck. We will do the randoming at the end because this is a random card break, and we don't know what cards we have yet, so we can't do any randoming. I mean, we can, but then we'd have to redo the randoming anyway. You can't random nothing, but you can. So let's see who's in this break. We have Cameron with one spot, and I don't know why I didn't put in the last initial. I will fix that after this is over, but I got that all situated. James L with one spot, Jason W with one spot, Randy L with one spot, and Sylvie with 2 spots. All right, so let's get into this. All right, we got Sean Connery as James Bond to 199. That's a nice first card there. Sean Connery as James Bond. From Russia with Love. That's 18 of 199. Let's see. Ooh, nice autograph there. I really like it when they do the black or the silver on the black. Sparkling signatures. Ivana. I cannot pronounce that last name. Milkovich. As Valenka. She was in Casino Royale. Okay, that's what I thought. That is, I really like her signature. Oh, sweet. The metal posters. This is for Sean Connery's James Bond Black Diamond metal posters. Which movie is this? Goldfinger. Okay. On the metal array, we got Andrews as Necros /99. The Living Daylights. We got Alan Cumming as Boris in GoldenEye /175 on the Dozer. Oh, sweet. Pierce Brosnan as James Bond in The World Is Not Enough /75. All right, time to do some randoming. First for the names. Eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, Cameron will get Alan Cummings Dozer /179. James L will get the Sean Connery Metal Poster Goldfinger. Jason W will get the Sean Connery Black Diamond /199. Randy L will get the Andres European last name Metal Array /99. Sylvie will get the Ivana Sparkling Signatures autograph and the Pierce Brosnan Exquisite Collection Purple /75. Congratulations. These are a ton of fun. Thanks for buying these out, and we will get these right out to you guys.